Let's learn the Dalmatian names with the help of flashcards. Thanks for landing here. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun. Laugh. L for laugh. TV. T for TV. Scared. S for scared. Frame. F for frame. Bicycle. B for bicycle. Watch. W for watch. Skating. S for skating. Hat. H for hat. Family. F for family. Flowers. F for flowers. Teddy. T for teddy. Ribbon. R for ribbon. Standing. S for standing. TV. T for TV. Flowers. F for flowers. Frame. F for frame. Standing. S for standing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun. T for thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn